Wonderful! My new Monodont bridge is here. Let me open it up and take a look. Wow! Hey dental fans! In today's video, I'm going to unbox a Monodont bridge. What's that? You don't know what a Monodont bridge is? Oh, well, be sure to check out my two videos. One's called What is a Monodont Bridge? And the other video is called Steps in Making a Monodont Bridge, and you can see how I made this bridge. All right, so let's unbox it. First, it comes in a box. This was wrapped in a FedEx Express plastic shipping envelope, so I removed that, tossed that, and here's the box. The lab is Dental Arts Lab. The one I use is in Illinois. We'll take a look at the outside of the box. Obligatory model picture. Lists some of the other appliances, dental appliances that they make. On this side, it shows the zirconia crowns and bridges they can make. Just another copy. On the bottom here, it lists different flexible partials they make, the Monodont bridge, other partials. They make Emax crowns, and they also make removable bridges, removable dentures as well, both partial dentures, and they make implant, supported dentures, implant, retained dentures as well. All right, so let's open her up. All right, inside, let's see what we got here. Okay, first thing is just another FedEx Express shipping label for the next case I send them. Put that to the side. Next thing is in here is it's actually a burr for the dental drill. This is like a particular shape that they want you to use to drill out the preps for the Monodont bridge, and explains a little bit how to do it. So it's always good to have, because this shape, it's an inverted cone, not inverted cone diamond. Not everybody uses them, not everybody keeps them in stock. Okay, so I put that off to the side, not lose it. Next step is the invoice. So I actually, not sponsored by DA Dental Arts Lab, I actually paid for this. Okay, put that aside so I can pay the bill. And it's got some styrofoam egg crate type of packaging. And inside, let's see, we got the models wrapped in bubble wrap, and then a bag containing the upper impression that I took, and the bite registration, and a little box that holds the bridge, and just more egg crate foam on the bottom of the box. Let me put the box off to the side. So this is the upper model. This is the model that they made. Let me just take everything out of the bags. Put the bags aside. Dental Arts Lab bag. So this is the upper model that they made. This model they made based off of this impression that I sent. So again, took this earlier. If you can rewind and see how I made that, or if you're watching my unboxing video, check out my steps in making a Monodont bridge video. All right, and then this was the lower model that I poured up from that alginate impression that I took. So this I poured up in my office, and I sent it to them, and then they mounted it. Put nice plaster bases. Even labeled it, my last name, and that it's for a typodont. And then this is the bite registration I took, and this showed them how the teeth fit together. So that's what these black plastics are. This is just actually a really inexpensive, disposable articulator that they use. Let me just snap that together. and they use the bite registration to mount the case. So they put the two molds together with the bite registration in between. Then they would add the hinge. They actually just cut a slot into the plaster bases, and this just glues in there. And so now we have a simple hinge articulator. Doesn't exactly replicate the movement of the jaw, but for the purposes in this, for what we're doing, it's close enough. And then on a patient, we refine the bite by actually having the patient move their jaw around. Okay, so we got that, and then here's the box that has the little bridge embossed with their logo. And inside we got a little piece of foam, and here's the Monodont bridge, and in a clear plastic prep guide. So if you look close onto the model, you can see where they prepped it. They basically drilled little holes in the teeth on either side. They pop the bridge out of the plastic model, and in the Monodont, it's got these metal wings, and that's what locks into those teeth. So it fits in very snugly, and there you can see what it would look like on the model. And so for this, I'm going to show you if you want to see how I use this, check out the steps in making a Monodont bridge video. But this prep guide's got holes already pre-drilled in it that correspond with the holes on the model. So now I'll take this, put it on my patient, who in this case is Buster, and I'll know exactly where to prep my little holes with the burr, with the drill bit that they included. And then to fit it, I can pop the Monodont bridge into that carrier, snap it in, and that way I can check, as long as this sits flush, this is how the lab designed it. So when I'm drilling the holes when I'm going to cement this on Buster, I'll know exactly how to position it. The plastic guide will keep it in place so it doesn't move around, so the tooth's not cocked one way or the other. And we'll cement it, and you'll be able to see that also in the steps in making a Monodont bridge. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. And I'm going to keep making dental videos. If there's any particular dental questions or any type of dental videos you'd like to see, just leave a comment down below. You can always shoot me an email. Just visit my website, verynicesmile.com/askdrrich, and you can leave me your questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.